today I'm so much happy, and the reason is this. Yes, this iconic aesthetic motorcycle, which looks like a Chetak, it is not. It is LML NV SPL. Many bike enthusiasts know this brand. If you have looked at 90s and 2000 series movies, LML used to make up best motorcycles, 125 series and half fairy motorcycle as far as I remember. But they soon discontinued their motorcycles. This is one of them. So basically, it's the LML SPL, the base variant. There used to be sell two variants. This is SPL. Second variant was Select 2, which was top variant. So in this variant, you'll be getting round headlamps, classic aesthetic look, and in that variant you will be getting some sort of boxy shaped headlight with some aesthetic change. The point 0.5 bhp is more in that variant, the Select 2. So let's talk about the, it's not a plastic, it's not even an electric, not a hybrid, pure petrol. So let's start with the design. Metal, plastic, that's the metal, that's metal. My hands are paining right now. Metal, everything is metal in this motorcycle. Please ignore that. The owner of this motorcycle has written there. That's basically a choke button. That's the storage. Storage is quite enough to even you can sit over here. The seat is small. Only two people can sit over here. Anyway, there is no grab rails. So this is the best motorcycle on its own era. Many of the motorcycles have sold before the 4-stroke motorcycle has launched. These kind of motorcycles were dominating the Indian market, literally. Then after some time, Bajaj Hero Honda has launched its 4-stroke Hero Honda CD 100 SS, as far as I remember. Express 5, it is very much wide, very kind of aesthetic, old looking motorcycle. I have just literally ridden few kilometers. Each and every people were just looking at me, looking at the design, laughing at me. They were just very astonished, and they just remember their childhood by looking at the face. This is a very much old looking shape, very much old looking. It looks like the motorcycle is from 1980s like that, but it's 2000 model. Rear, it's very strong as it's looking. This is the indicator, left and right. This is a normal halogen. Seat is, yes, quite good cushioning here. And here you'll be getting, it's not a scooty, don't call it a scooty. This is a geared motorcycle. Looks like a scooty, it's not. So here you have 4 transmissions. First, right now the bike is in neutral. First, neutral, second, third and fourth. Maybe the bike is standing right now, that's the reason the gears are not moving. It's the indicator and it's working. It's literally working. This is horn, it's even working. Lights, I don't think so it's working. Speedometer is working. This much the bike has ridden till now. This is the indicators, fuel, high beam, low beam and all. The front brakes which are not working right now, maybe it's just for design. Throttle, here you have storage. Let's check if it does open or not. It's not opening, let it be. So this is a typical key of this motorcycle. What it says, Minda, maybe this has been changed before some years, because if a brand usually gives all these things, then there has to be branding over there. Okay, so this is the rear brake. It doesn't stop the bike, it only slows it, and you have to put a lot of effort from your legs to slows down the bike. It doesn't stop the bike. I'm saying it loud. Metal, everything is metal over here. So if I talk about the engine, yes, it is a 149cc, like 150cc engine, not 4-stroke, 2-stroke, 2-valve, 4-speed transmission, and it's a 2-stroke which has a power of something 8 bhp and 11 nm of torque. That's quite good. Feel which you get while you rev the two-stroke motorcycle. Even though the bike has ridden a lot in its time, till now the motorcycle is able to give a lot of punch from its engine. It has a lot of grunt on offer. This is a helical spring with hydraulic damper. Well, this is a very durable, very comfortable suspension in its own time. Even nowadays, the rickshaws are used to come with these transmissions only. Yeah, if you know how to drive a rickshaw, then you can literally ride this motorcycle without any flaws. Front and rear tire sections are almost same. 3.5 by 10 inches a tire over here, as I can see here. Yes, front brakes are not working at all. It only has single stand, no dual stand. This is the engine, as you can see over here. Okay, so we said a lot. Let's get riding this motorcycle. Okay, so we all set to go. Thing has been done. Let's start this motorcycle right away. This is the key, as I said to you before. Ignition has been on. This is the kick. Okay. Exactly. That's the two stroke. That's the two stroke. That's the power of the two stroke, literally. Let's start riding. Okay. This brake is not working at all. Let's check. Okay, wow. Okay, so I have pressed the clutch. First gear. Let's get going. Okay, so till even I have ridden this motorcycle like right now for about 15 minutes or 10 minutes for about you can say 5 to 10 kilometers like that. Okay, everyone was literally watching me. The clutch, the feedback and the power which this motorcycle has is literally a mind-blowing thing. Well, so the thing is I'm not literally in a position to talk, like I just wanted to enjoy this motorcycle here. And even as you can see, the speedometer is working till now. And yeah, but this thing is not working. Everything is literally as looks like a stock thing. If you consider this motorcycle is literally we can say 25 years old, still it is running like a charm thing. Okay, so even the engine braking is going very much well. Lot of this motorcycle, we have a lot of torque on offer. As I have said to you before, it has 11 Nm of torque and 8 bhp, and the top variant which used to come as a 0.5 bhp tweaked over there. And yeah, the minor thing has been changed in that motorcycle, but that doesn't make a lot of sense. Only aesthetic thing has been changed over there. And if I talk about the fuel efficiency, considering it's a 150cc motorcycle, two-stroke. Still, ARA has claimed it about 50 to 55 kilometers per liter. But till some owners have told that this motorcycle is able to give a mileage of about let's say 45 to 50, 40. You can say 45 kilometers per liter. Even they are looking at it. It's very much good motorcycle literally. And the reason why I'm so happy, and that's the reason, like, let's take a U-turn quickly. It has a good turning radius actually. It is heavy, but it doesn't looks like heavy. It is a The weight management has been done very well contained over there, and the brakes. Let me just press on the brakes. There are okay. Okay. So yeah, it slows down the vehicle, but it doesn't stop completely. So don't ever expect the braking performance from this motorcycle right now. What is spending guys? I had a script to remember what what to say about this motorcycle. Okay, but literally I forgot what can I say. I just wanted to ride this motorcycle. I just wanted to enjoy how this machine has its own feeling. Even now, if I get this motorcycle on a better deal, like this motorcycle has some kind of problem which I don't want to discuss in this video. But if I get this motorcycle on a best price, if I get this motorcycle with papers, I will surely buy it. I will surely, literally, I will buy it. Horns are working, indicators are working. As you can hear this voice. Okay, okay. Okay, so I don't want to, give a lot of throttle in this motorcycle. There is not much to, review here. I just wanted to feel how this motorcycle is in terms of riding. Okay. Okay. So it's very much good. It's literally very much good comparing to normal scooties which is coming right now. The BS6 or BS4 and all. We only like the raw performance over here. Even the engine braking is very much good here. I just want to enjoy. And how the suspension is. Suspension is similar as you're getting in nowadays motorcycle. Like it is well contained. It is able to absorb a lot of turbulence from the road. Yeah, even I can ride well on a tarmac as well. Yeah, if the tires are blunt, so if you're riding this motorcycle on a bad road, so don't expect a lot of performance from these own tires. Okay. Let's not talk. Let's check the performance over here. The indicators are. I don't think so if it has a performance or not. Okay, so yeah. Okay, okay. So I thought suspension would be a lot of stiffer comparing the motorcycle is 25-year-old, but it's not. It's even better than the motorcycle which we are looking at nowadays. Better than that Activa. They used to give us small springs. That was good. And what can I say for this more? I know many people usually come from this road because here that is my office, so I know about that. I won't be leaning in this motorcycle. It's very good, and I just want to experience how this motorcycle feels. Even let's okay. So I am right now in 30 km per hour. Let me keep this motorcycle in second gear. It literally has a lot of torque. The 11 Nm of torque usually feel like it's not look like a 11 Nm torque. It looks like you have something about a 15 Nm of torque in this motorcycle. It's a two-stroke. So considering it's a two-stroke, a smaller engine, like no, not small engine, but it has a bigger engine displacement, and it's a two-stroke. Usually, two-stroke has a if you take about RX 100, it has a mileage of 35 is ARA claim, but here 35 is ARA claim, and you can expect to be between 25 to 30. It's a two-stroke, right? So even it's being a two-stroke, it is literally taking out a mileage of over like 40 to 45 kilometers per liter to the owner of this motorcycle. So that's very mind-blowing. This is actually a very best motorcycle, and I think the Bajaj and some many motorcycle brands have to take ownership and relaunch these kind of motorcycle. It is a mind-blowing thing. Many people don't like scooties and all because that is a practical motorcycle, but not fun to ride. Like, let's not talk about the Aerox and all. That's actually a good motorcycle on its own time. Best motorcycle in terms of all the things, best motorcycle I've ever ridden over here. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, do comment and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are plenty more videos out there. If you want a specific video on specific motorcycle, do let me know in the comments section. And yeah, that's all for now. So till then, ride hard and ride safe.